No face, no voice, no editing. Just AI doing the work while payments roll in all day. That's not a fantasy. That's exactly what's happening with ClickWave right now. The AI creates the videos. The system tells you what to post and where. You don't need to appear on camera, speak a single word, or touch an editing app. Most of the best results from this method are 100% faceless. Social media gets viewed billions of times every single day. Consumer spending on those platforms is over $1.4 trillion a year. ClickWave plugs you directly into that traffic. No guessing, no grinding. You're not hoping someone finds your content. You're positioned right in the middle of people who are already ready to buy. Max started from zero. Now he's getting paid from multiple platforms, hitting leaderboards weekly, and collecting payments throughout the day. People even send him money directly, just for quick videos. This system works whether you point your finger on camera or let AI do every single thing for you. Stop sleeping on this. Hit the link, get ClickWave, and let the views start working for you today.